Hello, this video is to show you how to clean your LG window unit air conditioner. It's 8,000 BTU, model number LW8016ERY7. We purchased this in 2018. Went ahead and changed the filter, cleaned it out in the sink. Very simple. After taking it out, I'm going to put it back in. Pretty quick and easy. Don't need to get frustrated like that guy. So that's all done and in. All I do is power that up. You can see the light is on there. Still clean filter. And if you look real close, you can see the filter reset. Simple and easy. All you gotta do, hold 2 fingers, and bam. Easy peasy. Clean filter light is off. And that's how you do it.